Hello everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to change the battery in an Apple AirTag. To change the battery we will need to remove the top cover, that is, we need to remove the top part, the silver one with the Apple symbol. We simply need to turn the Apple so it faces us perfectly straight, and once it's that way we need to apply slight inward pressure and a small turn to the left. As you can see, we've turned it. When you let go of the lid, it'll be loose, just lift it, and as we can see, we now have access to the battery. In this case, the battery used by the AirTag is a CR2032, which we can find at any shop or hardware store. To remove it, you merely need to pull on one side and you can take it out without any major problem. Once we have the new battery, we're simply going to drop it into the hole, making sure that we leave the marked part up and the other part down like this. And finally, we're just going to align the three legs of the top cover with the three little holes that we have here. We just drop it on top, and once we have it like this, we make a turn to the opposite side. We'll see how it fits again. There it is. And this way it's completely closed and ready to use again. Well guys, that's it for this video. Here's how to change the battery in an AirTag. If you found it useful, don't forget to leave me a good like. It's super important. As well as subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. As for me, that's all. As always, it's been a pleasure, and see you in the next video.